In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on YouTube. So this is helpful for YouTube and just having access to your camera if you're someone who wanted to upload a profile picture from your phone or other things that you might need. It's very easy to turn on and off. So what you want to do is go to your settings and scroll down to the bottom where you see the apps tab. It might be part of a newer update for your phone, so make sure it's updated. If not, you should just have all of your apps in a very simple list in your settings area anyway, so it's not a big deal. So go to your apps, and I just like to type it in just so that you're not going up and down your apps list here. So I'm just going to type in YouTube and have that come up. Go ahead and go into YouTube. You have a lot of different options here and stuff like that, but what you can do is just go to your camera and simply toggle that on. And that way your YouTube app has access to your camera. And that's how you would allow camera access on YouTube for whatever you may or may not need. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.